One other thing that I found a very practical usage is pore filling. Especially on my headstocks, I usually use a very porous wood in the back, which is a veneer of a burl, whether it's maple or whatever, and it tends to be very difficult to apply finish on it. And so I came up with this thing. I've been using this, and it's worked very, very well for me. It's basically what I do on the actual piece. I will apply some of the super glue and do like a type of a French polish, like this. Spray it. And the other thing too, there's no carcinogens in the product, which makes me very happy. Then it's basically dried instantly. I level the material, and I don't do a perfect leveling at first. I'm just trying to build it up. And I do it one more time. Usually two shots is good enough. And I go back with the 320 sandpaper. So basically I level everything, and it's a great pore filler, and finishing on top of it works wonderful for me. I use a polyurethane, and I usually spray very, very thin. So this permits me to, I don't have to pack it to fill my grain. So this is, it's a product that's very easy to work with. So we'll go buff out this section just to give you an idea of how it will come out. So now buffing time. I've just leveled this area. I went up to 800, and it takes absolutely no time at all to buff. It's very quick. There you go. So you can bring the buffing very, very high, just like a lacquer. This was just finished at 800, just to give you an idea of how to buff it.